Here's how to issue a refund in WooCommerce. Quick, straightforward, and stress-free for handling customer returns. You'll want to start in your WooCommerce Orders page, where you can hunt down the specific order that needs the refund. Once you're looking at the order details, scroll down until you spot the refund button sitting at the bottom of the items section. Hit that button. This is where you decide how much to refund. Want to refund everything? Just type in the original quantities. Only refunding some items? Enter just those numbers. The math happens automatically as you type. The refund panel updates to show what's already been refunded and what's still available. That refund amount field fills itself in based on what you entered, but you can always type in a different number if the situation calls for it. Below that sits the reason for refund field, where you can jot down why this refund happened. Not required, but handy when you're trying to spot trends later. The Restock refunded items checkbox at the top decides whether those return products go back into your inventory count. Check it if you want them back in stock. Leave it unchecked if they're damaged or you handle inventory differently. Hit the refund button when everything looks right. WooCommerce processes it through whatever payment method the customer originally used and shows you a confirmation message. The order status updates automatically, and everything gets logged in the order notes, so you have that paper trail.